3 Marine habits that build iron discipline. What if I told you that discipline isn't something you're born with? It's something you build through habits? The Marine Corps doesn't rely on motivation. It doesn't wait for you to feel ready. It builds discipline into your daily life until it becomes who you are. And that's why Marines are known for one thing above all else: consistency under pressure. If you want to become more disciplined, more focused, and more dependable, hit that subscribe button and join the Man Up channel, where we build strong men with strong standards. Now, real quick, this isn't about being perfect or pretending the Marine Corps is easy. This is based on real experience and the habits that actually build discipline over time. And the best part? Any man can apply these habits to his life. Let's get into it. Here's the first habit: do what needs to be done immediately. One of the first things the Marine Corps teaches you is simple. When something needs to be done, you do it immediately. There's no procrastination, no "I'll get to it later." No waiting until you feel like it. Because in the Marine Corps, delay creates problems, and problems cost time, efficiency, and sometimes much more. So you build the habit of acting fast. You clean your gear right away. You prepare ahead of time. You handle responsibilities before they become issues, and over time something happens. You stop negotiating with yourself. You stop saying, "I'll do it later." You become a man who executes, because discipline isn't about big moments, it's about small actions, done consistently, without hesitation. This is where most men fall short. Most men don't lack ability. They lack urgency. They wait until they feel pressure. They wait until it's almost too late. Marines don't wait, they act. And that's what separates disciplined men from everyone else. Here's the second habit: hold yourself to a standard. No matter what, the Marine Corps runs on standards. Not feelings, not moods, standards. You are expected to perform every day. It doesn't matter if you're tired, it doesn't matter if you're stressed, it doesn't matter if you're having a bad day. The standard does not change. And when you live like that long enough, you change. Because you stop lowering the bar for yourself. You stop making excuses. You start asking a different question. Did I meet the standard? That question builds accountability. It builds self-respect. And most importantly, it builds discipline. Because when a man holds himself to a standard, even when no one is watching, that's when discipline becomes real. And this is the truth most people avoid. If you only perform when you feel good, you'll never reach your full potential. Discipline is doing what's required, regardless of how you feel. That's what the Marine Corps teaches. Here's the third habit: embrace discomfort daily. This might be the most important habit of all. Marines get comfortable being uncomfortable. They train in difficult conditions. They push through fatigue. They operate under pressure. And they don't run from it, they embrace it, because discomfort is where growth happens. Most people spend their lives avoiding discomfort. They avoid hard work. They avoid pressure. They avoid anything that challenges them. But Marines do the opposite. They lean into it. And that builds something powerful: resilience, mental toughness, confidence. Because when you face discomfort regularly, it stops controlling you. You realize you can handle more than you thought. This is where discipline is forged. Discipline isn't built in comfort, it's built in resistance. It's built when you don't feel like doing something, and you do it anyway. It's built when things are hard, and you keep going. That's how you develop iron discipline. Putting it all together. So, let's bring it all together. If you want to build real discipline, not temporary motivation, focus on these 3 habits. Do what needs to be done immediately. Hold yourself to a standard, no matter what. Embrace discomfort every single day. These are simple, but they are not easy. And that's why most people don't do them. But the ones who do, they separate themselves. At the end of the day, discipline isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. The Marine Corps builds discipline by turning these habits into a way of life. And once you adopt them, you stop relying on motivation. You stop making excuses. You start becoming the kind of man others can depend on. So remember, act immediately, hold the standard, embrace discomfort. If this video hit home, hit that like button and subscribe to the Man Up channel for more content on discipline, strength, and becoming a better man. And click on one of the videos you see on your screen right now, because the next step in building your discipline is waiting for you there.